How to use your phone to monitor the battery. Scan the QR code to download this app. Open the app, register an account and log in. Get email verification code. Turn on the circuit breaker and switch to the host battery. Click the ad at the bottom of the app homepage to search for battery. Allow the app to access location and nearby device information. Check the last 4 digits of the MAC address label on the side of the main battery. Then find the battery name on the screen that matches the 4 digits and connect it. Connect to the battery. First, select Bluetooth to connect. After entering the device page, click the button Device Info to access the settings page, then connect to Wi-Fi. If you have multiple batteries connected in parallel and communication has been established, you can click Pack 1 in the Param page to switch. Set the battery BMS communication protocol. Scroll up and down to select the communication protocol for the RS485 and KN ports, then click Confirm.